Now I'll show to how to configure device and how to punch in device. Now in first video I show already how to register user and how to enroll admin. Okay. Now I show to setting configuration of biometric device. Okay, let's start. First I unlock biometric device because I already admin logs. Now then go to in the COM options. This one is COM option. Click on OK. Now first option is Ethernet option. Ethernet means your Ethernet option means you can configure your IP address, subnet mask and gateway in the this setting. Now you can change your check your range of the network. Just example, in this IP is put 192.168.1.113. This is the one range and one IP in configure in the system. You can erase this IP through left arrow buttons. You can directly type IP there. Just example, I type 192.168.0.201. Okay. Now click on OK. Is the save. Next is a subnet mask. Your network in your network. What is your subnet mask? You can type your subnet mask there. uh, just example is gateway. You can type your gateway. Just now my gateway is 192.168.0.1 because my IP address is the 192.168.0.201 is my gateway is 192.168.0.1. Okay, now save the setting. Okay, you can put your DNS settings as a if required. If not required, you cannot put. DNS setting is my DNS setting is 192.168.0.1 because my gateway and DNS setting is both are the same. Okay, you can opt the DHCP in the you can when you on DHCP your IP address is blank and you automatically capture one IP address from your network. When I opt DHCP, your by default have IP address you configure is show in this option. Now escape from this option. Now show to cloud server setting. Means you have to configure the your link address to your data pushing from other server. Means you're out of other networks and you want to push data. So I type my server address. I have a domain name, so I type this name in the server address. For how to type the domain name in server address, now click on when you have a server address in domain name, you have to enable domain name. If you have to IP address, you have a static IP, so you have a enable domain name of. I have the domain name URL, so I on the enable domain name. Click on OK. Now in click on server address. Now I type in my domain link. Just examples w. I have type in small, so I click on again. Now I type in I have domain name in small letters www. Now I have a dot options, so I go to in symbol. One is the dot options. Now again English word infiniums. I have link infiniums. If you have anything wrong, you can click on this button for erase. Infinium HRMS. Okay, Infinium HRMS. .com. So I again put dot. com. Okay, now is the link is the type perfectly. Now I click on OK. Now again press down arrow and click on OK. Now my link is www.infiniumhrms.com. Means my data is pushing in the on this server through via Ethernet. Okay. Now this is the COM settings video, means how to configure your device to LAN cables and cloud server settings. Now also to how to punch in biometric device, means check in and check out, both are option is there. Check in means when you come in office, first punch is a check in punch, means you can up your arrow is the check in. Now punch. Thank you. Your punch is considering check-in. When I go to out of the office, then I punch in checkout. Means you can select the down arrow button is the checkout option. Now you can press, you can punch as a checkout. Thank you. Thank you. Now I want to show how to check your record, attendance record in biometric, means how much logs in the biometric device in your ID. So I go to an option, first unlock device. Okay, now I check to in the go to in attendance or search options, attendance search, click on OK. In first option is attendance records, click on OK. Now you type your ID, which logs you which ID user ID logs you want. I type my user ID 12, confirm OK. You can today date or all, you if you want all data, you can go to down arrow, press down arrow button and click on OK. You can see the all logs in the biometric device, how much logs in the biometric device you can check in the attendance record options. Okay, thank you friends.